I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a project that's ready for captions, trimmed timeline, correct sequence settings, and clear audio. First, import your media and place clips on the timeline. Once done, open the text panel and choose speech to text. Select the correct language and the audio track you want transcribed. Start the transcription. Premiere analyzes the audio and produces a transcript. This automated step saves time, but you'll still review and refine timing and text afterwards. Once the transcript appears, generate captions and choose closed or open format depending on delivery needs. You'll see caption blocks aligned to the transcript. Drag edges to fix timing, or use the caption workspace to nudge by frames for tighter sync. Edit each caption's text for accuracy and readability, breaking long lines and ensuring 1-2 lines per caption at a comfortable reading speed. Make sure speaker changes, sound effects, and punctuation are included to preserve context. After timing and text are correct, style captions in the Essential Graphics or Captions panel. Set font, size, color, background opacity, and safe margins for devices. For delivery, export captions as embedded in the video, a sidecar file like SRT or XML, or burn them into the picture. If you run into problems, wrong words, mistimed segments, or missing captions, rerun speech to text with improved audio. Isolate noisy clips for manual transcription, and always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.